cooked dinner and everything. He left.
Hold on.
Girl cooked dinner and everything. He left. He didn't even eat. He left because I had said something that triggered him.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking like, I didn't even say nothing.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't think it was a big deal because that's how people talk to me my whole life.
Oh,
so after that, I had called him. We broke up that night. I called him. He was like, well, yeah, I can't be with anybody that did this. Girl cried. I had to say, however, whatever you need to change in me, do it now because I want to be the person for him. Like, I don't want people to call me aggressive. You know, like
All right, so I just want to give a huge shout out to this young man. Shout out to him, and this is exactly what that other dude need to watch. That's how you stand on business. You know what? I don't give a damn about you cooking for me. I'm just gonna get up and I'm gonna bounce. You can keep, this little, I don't know, filet mignon or whatever. You can cook. You can keep that stuff to yourself. I'm good, sweetie. Appreciate it. And broke up with her, but the same mother loving night because of you being disrespectful. That's how people talk to me my entire life. That's how you have talked to people your entire life. But I get most of the time, when you reflect that type of doggone energy, they get in their doggone feelings. So the best thing you can do, I'm not gonna go back and forth with you at all. I'm not gonna do that. I'm too grown for that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I should do, which is going about my business. You wanna be disrespectful? You can do that with another man. But you ain't gonna do that with me, respectfully. So shout out to this brother, man. I absolutely love to hear stories like this because those type of guys, they end up getting a young lady that understands boundaries. There are boundaries when you're dealing with people. And if you want to keep somebody that's a good person, all right? Because, y'all think just because you got quantity, you got, a few people that's checking for you, men or women, guys, same thing, that, I'm gonna be good. But no, it don't work like that. If you come across somebody that's a good person, I'm just gonna speak to the guys right now. Fellas, if you know that you are a good person and you have had that conversation with that young lady and she continues to think that it's okay for her to be disrespectful, what are you doing? Like, why? I'm gonna tell you right, mother loving now, you can easily find another one of her. But the chances of her finding another one of you, especially if you a guy that works out, that takes care of himself, that got his own ish, got his stuff together, got his head on straight, and you're doing what you need to do, you pursuing a passion, a goal, or whatever. Brother, I'm telling you right, mother loving now, it's not too many people out here that's really getting after it like that. And the guys that are, they probably already done wifed up somebody. It is not too many single brothers out there, not too many single heterosexual males that got their stuff together. Again, that's working out, that's taking care. Man, listen, chicks are checking for it all over the globe, all over everywhere. You doing what you need to do, man. Do not think that you need to waste your time with somebody that continues to think that it's okay to be disrespectful towards you. All right, I'm not giving out any advice. I'm literally just speaking to myself right now. All right, I just got a younger version of myself on the camera that I'm talking to. All right, and this is the reason why life continues to get better for guys that know and understand that. I've said it once, I'll say it again. It's better on the side. Men that understand who they are, what they bring to the table. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna get a young lady that understands that's not gonna cross those boundaries. She's gonna respect you. She's gonna respect your boundaries. And ain't nothing else to be said. I'm telling you, man, it's better on the side. All of those loudmouth, ghetto, being extra crazy chicks, stay away from them. All right? And make sure y'all vet correctly, man, because they gonna show it's always telltale signs where you know that mother lover crazy. I'm telling you. Now, young ladies, on the other hand, same goes for y'all. It's a lot of, what do they call them, Pookie and Ray Rays out there that really they just trying to smash. I'm just gonna go ahead. I was trying to figure out a way to go around it. That's all they trying to do. They only want you for one mother loving thing. Some of them might use you for your car. They might use you for a place to stay. Hey, yeah. You just got to be careful, man. You just got to be careful. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about that, man? Again, shout out to that brother for getting out. I love to hear stuff like that. You being disrespectful, and that man left you right where you were standing. Salute to him. Food probably wasn't good anyway. That's probably why he ended up leaving. Man, she can't even cook any damn way.
Bro, cooked dinner and everything. He left.
Talking about cooked dinner and everything. That boy was looking for a reason. Hey, I am not eating no more of her half-cooked damn string beans. You all you gotta do is warm up string beans. How can you mess up string beans, man? That boy, let me tell you something. That brother was ready to go. All right, but yeah, y'all let me know what do you guys think down in the comments. All right, and we can talk about it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.